Okay, good afternoon, students. We'll start the class. I think 47 students joined. So today we are going to discuss about the burn rate. For you, you are having only theory, so don't worry about the calculation. We will discuss simple sum for knowing the concept of burn rate. Since you are studying ventureship, you must know what is what. That is why we are going to discuss the burn rate and the case study of burn rate we'll discuss on Thursday. And today, the concept of burn rate. If time permits, we'll discuss some of the failure case study as well as one success case study of the burn rate. Then, of course, you are going to decide in case of restaurants how they are doing, how they are controlling the burn rate. These are all the things we are going to discuss today. That is our today's agenda. So try to understand the meaning of band rate based upon today's discussion, because in commercialized manner, if you are going for venture capital, they will use this type of jargon. What is band rate? Your takeoff rate is poor. They used to tell. You may wonder why this fellow is saying takeoff rate. Your landing rate is poor. You are not running the airport, but they used to tell all these stories. That is the commercial jargon what we are using in case of ventureship. Of course, in case of books, you can't find this type of commercial jargon. But recently, because of the American literature entered into India, even venture capitalists they are asking all those things. Previously, we won't have the concept called band rate. Instead of that, we used to call it as cost controlling measure, how to reduce the expenses. But after 2015, we used to call the term called band rate. So today we are going to discuss. Before that, as usual, as a reflections, you will see your answers. This time only a few of the students answered. I got response only from 28. Once again, I'm telling these are all coming under your marks. So try to involve yourself. I will immediately after the midterm examination, I will summarize that one and post it in our group. How many students responded for every activity, how many classes we handled, what is your total response. I will post that one. So in the meantime, be ready with all these things. I never expect the correct answer. Be clear. So try yourself, bring your answer. Nobody will have the correct answer because this is not a science. We are discussing only social science. Okay, very interesting thing. What I have posted about the one of the prototype creator web page headlines I posted. For that, very interesting thing you have posted. I have to appreciate all of you, those who have posted nice statements. You can see that one. Life is too short for bad software. That is the quote I have mentioned regarding the prototype, especially regarding to the apps. Most of the computer science students, not students, anybody is now developing different type of app. But when it is coming for testing, the number of questions are asked, most of them are unable to answer because most of them are very sound in their technical knowledge. But when it comes for the design thinking, there's a failure. How the apps looks like for the customer point of view. And another thing, when it comes to the demonstration stage, outer ring side means the insides below that one. Yes, think some disturbance. Okay. That is why in that prototype creating software, they mentioned that one. What is that meaning? And most of you clearly quoted life is too short for bad software. Make a product so easy to use that customer can see value without the help of a salesperson? First answer is a nice answer, because when you are seeing that app or prototype, it is able to speak. There is no need for salesman. In case of Ola, if you open that one, it automatically speaks about everything. It shows different features. Immediately we try to use that one. See that one, how the Ola designed that one. Of course, Uber also. That is the thing. Without the any person guidance, you are able to use. I have not studied even computer science in basic knowledge. When we were studying BCom, we have not seen even the computers. But now I'm able to use the Ola app, how to go, how to find out the cars or auto rickshaws, how you can book. No need for teaching that one. The appearance itself is very important. It used to teach. Another thing, this clearly state that life is too short for this type of bad subject. If it not satisfying anything, nobody will go for that app. We will see some of the example today if time permits. Indirectly, it represents that in case of software, there are number of updates are coming. So your prototype should be very, very flexible. That is the message they wish to quote. I never expect that answer, but indirectly, most of you mentioned that one. The aim, you must know this thing is, any prototype, if it is created with the software, it should be more flexible. The reason is updation. Suddenly a new software is coming and overthrowing old one in case of technology. That is why in case of prototype, it should be flexible according to the needs, because it is generated for user friendly. That is why they used to mention user friendly. So when you are creating an app, if you want to create a prototype, make it as flexible. And you can see that one, catchy title, easy to remember and attract audience. Nice answer. And even some of the students clearly mention about that one. That is, outdated technology is costing people a lot of money. That is why we have to go for that one. Likewise, somebody mentioned good software, good reputation. Very nice answer. So indirectly, it means that a prototype should have a flexible one. Okay. That is why it is mentioned like that, because all the softwares are having only limited time period, maybe due to the technology. That is why it has been quoted. Coming to the today's news, which is relevant for today's band rate also. Here, one of the person just aged of 16, he is having the 4 startup from the Delhi. He created a 4 startup by the age of 16 itself. By the age of 14, he started his first venture, that too in education technology. See that one, he is called as a school dropout person. A person who has been dropped out from the school is able to create an educational app. His name is Ojas Batra, Hive Groups. See that one. You can see the mindset of that person. He mentioned that school education is not essential for anything. Of course, for him it may not be, because he is having such a knowledge. He created a 4 type different type of ventureship, and we are worrying about that one, how it is made possible nowadays. Nowadays, one of the statistics we are going to discuss, most of the startups are said to be failure, because first they are aiming according to them. They never think about the customer. Most of the startups are thinking about the owner. If you are having a technology, You are very sound. You are thinking about yourself. But when you come to the startups, you have to think about the customers. That is why we studied in the professionalism. The person who is standing in front of you is considered as the customer. That is the true entrepreneurship values nowadays. That is the reason most of the startups are failure. But unwantedly, they used to give more spending for advertisement because they assume that there is no advertisement, people may not know about our product. That is why there's a failure and spending huge advertisement in cost. Finally, what is happening? Because of huge advertisement cost, even then the product will not move in the market. There's a failure. That is the burn rate. The cost tends to burn. That is, but this entrepreneur, by the age of 14, he started. By the age of his 16, he's having 4 ventureship. How he is able to succeed by this age? That is very important thing. How he is able to control his cost. How he is going to enter in the customer front. How he is going to capture the customer. But when I going through that article, I found another article belonging to this nature. That is startups, it is time to think like camels, not unicorn. You can't run very fast. Startups, most of the startups assume that you have to run like an unicorn, like a horse speed. But one of the research mentioned recently, this is from the Harvard Business Review, one of the biggest B schools throughout the globe. They has been ranked number 1 in the global area, Harvard. They mentioned that never think like an unicorn in the beginning stage. You have to think like a camel. The camel means you have to move for more time. You have to live long your business, whether you are living long or not. But your business should go. That is the concept they wish to tell nowadays. Because most of the startups, they are spending huge money and they are earning huge money because of this concept. But what happened? They are unable to survive because of huge cost, burning cost. The cost is increasing, more expenses because they are all unicorns. Everywhere they wish to gain more money. But recent research shows that try to follow the concept of camel. You have to live long. You know the characteristics of the camel. Drink huge water and it should walk even in case of desert slowly, steadily. It used to achieve its target quickly without running. That is the nature. Such type of things we need. That is why we are studying the burn rate at present. Instead of unicorn, we need to be like a camel. That is the new concept. Previously, when I used to teach all those things, when I taught the entrepreneurship course for MBA students, I used to thought like that: be an unicorn. All the Ola members, all these persons are coming under the unicorn. So you have to get funds immediately. You have to run like that one. But now the concept is changing. Maybe due to after the COVID pandemic. Think like camel. Move slowly but steadily with huge cash with you. That is why camel used to drink huge water, substituting with the cash. Even it is able to walk in the desert slowly, steadily, unlike the unicorn, that is the horse. Because they need cash. Without cash, there is nothing. Once upon a time, we used to call it if it is branding, no problem. But whatever it may be, we need cash. Without cash, we can't run any business. Even recently, one of the article mentioned Southwest Airlines. After this COVID pandemic, you know, their burn rate is increasing. That means heavy expenses for that one. You can see that one, the revenue tends to decrease and it is moving towards loss. Southwest Airlines, which ranks number one in case of profitability, Southwest Airlines in US. But now, most of the airlines they shuttered their business temporarily because of this COVID pandemic. Its revenue decreased, but net profit is going on in loss. That means because of this burn rate. How to solve this burn rate? That is the important thing that we are going to discuss in the next class. Today we are going to discuss the concept of burn rate only. Why we have to study the burn rate? Because most of the startups are failed because of the high burn rate. They mentioned that if the burn rate is, I have not told the meaning of burn rate, wait and see. Because of the burn rate, the startups are said to be failure. They are planning well. All the startups, those who have studied in different colleges, universities, and having a good common sense, they are planning everything successfully. But there is one place they are not giving importance. That is the place of burn rate. From that place, the fire starts. I already posted in the group about one the Food Panda. Food Panda, very good organization. They used to spend huge amount for the ambience because that is important. If you are using the Food Panda, you have to take a selfie and post it there. Even online, you can order everything, but you can see they have to maintain that ambience. But what happened? We have to see the expenses also. The expenses are moving high. What to do? That was the problem faced by Food Panda. Same thing. Some of the organization they are failed because they doesn't know how to balance between these ambience cost in one side and the cost of expenses. They find it very tough to balance. If they are spending more in ambience, the profit is going down. If they stop ambience, it is move profit is also moving up. But what happening? Customers are not coming. So how to make an optimum one? That's what you are studying that one, not for calculating the burn rate. Of course, you must know how to calculate the burn rate, but you must be able to balance the ambience in one level, the cost in another level. Then only you are able to run your business in a steady manner. Dear students, that is why in our syllabus we have included that one. Even one of the statistics it mentioned more than 50% of all US startups fail after 5 years. In India, it is 2 years. Even in case of US, 5 years only. See that one. And most of the startups are failure within 10 years. After 10 years, 70% of the startups are failure. In case of India, it is 6 years. Within 6 years, 70% of the startups are failure. Reason they quoted. They know everything, but they are unable to balance between the expenses and the revenue. Because customer is coming means it never means that we are gaining too much. You have to understand that one. In case of malls, number of customers are going for window. They used to see the product, they used to go through everything. They won't buy, they will return back as an entertainment. They are going for that one only for the purpose of window dressing of malls. They spend huge amount, but if you are unable to balance, you will find very difficult. We have discussed the prototype. Even our students clearly mention in case of hotels how you are going to create an ambience. Nice thing, because secondary source is very important for the any business. Somebody mentioned you used to play music, you used to have some other games, everything. But how we are able to manage that one, the revenue in one side and the expense in another side. If it is able to balance equally, then it means that you have controlled your burn rate. For this purpose, I came to know in case of the one of the hotels in Bangalore. I hope some of you visited that small hotel in Jayanagar in Bangalore. If you enter into that hotel, it looks a small thing. It is equivalent to a hotel, but it is not mentioned hotel. If you enter into that one, the wall, everything is only white. Suddenly, the wall color will change and it looks like a different one. Based upon your taste, everything it used to change. If you are ordering the product, if you already booked that one, and if you are coming into that place, based upon your order color, everything it will change. They have not spent anything. All the walls are in only white color, but they fixed some of the lighting as well as one of the projector, which will change the wall colors, everything. Very nice. The cost is less because they are not going to paint every day. They are not going to change the painting for each and every customer. It used to change. I used to go there only for a small birthday celebration. You can see that one when we entered into that place just half an hour before. Half an hour before, it was nothing. Only wait. I asked why they fixed this place for birthday celebration. But after 15 minutes, I am seeing different colors are coming, birthday songs like that one. All these walls are changing suddenly. Every 5 minutes, the color is changing, design is changing. We are looking in a, it looks in a different place. See that one. Then I decided why, how they are doing that one. They spent huge thing for technology rather than painting, because painting is important. It is creates the ambience, but every day we can't change the colors according to the trends. But that hotel, they change that one. See that one, they balance between the ambience as well as their cost with the help of technology. Now the technology is doing well. So dear students, as an educated entrepreneur, you are able to either utilize technology or using your common sense to balance this revenue and the expense, and you are able to manage these things clearly. That is the purpose of burn rate. So before studying the burn rate, you must know this thing. That is why immediately after that, I gone through the net and given the case study like that. See that one, how small person, a hotel, they used to adjust the revenue and the expenses. That is why, as you are all younger, you will have the knowledge of dreaming. Based upon that one, you are able to solve this type of issue. Now let us go to the definition of this burn rate. It is mentioned as the negative cash flow per month. As per the definition, they used to simply mention negative cash flow. Negative cash flow means last month they might have spent uh, around 50,000. This month, if you are spending 60,000, that means 10,000 you are additional spending. Your cash is going to burn. You are burning 10,000 cash. But actually, it never means you are burning 10,000. Maybe you may use for advertisement or any other good purpose. But We used to call it as this 10,000 as banning. How to control that one? Simple thing, that additional expenses you are making compared with the previous month. Every month we used to prepare a budget. We will fix the norms. This month we have to spend only 50,000. But unfortunately, the expenses are coming to 60,000. That means it is burning. That is the simple meaning. Don't confuse with big things. Of course, commerce students and management students will prepare some workings, everything they will showcase. For you, you need not worry about that one. Additional expense. Even if you are living in a house, suddenly the house owner is coming and saying that no, no, no. Next month onwards, you have to pay 30,000 as rent. Because in this flood, only you are living, remaining persons are not there due to COVID. I am not having revenue. I have to pay to the bank interest. So the house owner is coming and asking, so far you are paying only 18,000 rent. Now next month onwards you have to pay 30,000. That means this 12,000 is the band rate. This 12,000 you can't control. That is why I quote that example. Even if you find anything, it is very difficult to control immediately. You can't identify a house immediately because the house owner will come and tell only at the month end. Or some cases, today only, today November means he will come and tell today, this month you have to pay more. Within short duration, you can't find out any house. That means your burning rate, uncontrollable one. That is important. Of course, first, as per the formula, the 12,000 is said to be the band rate. But strictly speaking, if you are unable to control, that is called the burning rate. At the same time, you might have spent for advertisement. Advertisement means definitely you will get back that money in the form of sales. That expenses is not called the burn rate. But same advertisement, definitely none of the customers will come, but you are unwantedly spending for advertisement means that advertisement cost is considered as the burn rate. You must know strategic meaning. That is why I used to quote. Most of the companies, especially in case of advertisement, the burning rate is more. The reason is they doesn't know whether it is burning or not, whether we can give the advertisement or not. That what once upon a time, I think not once upon a, that's 3 months back, I used to read one story from Hyderabad. I think I might have told to you. In case of Hyderabad, one of the organization, they mentioned that suddenly on a particular day, we are going to give, I think, saris, yes, saris only. They are ready to sell saris for just rupees 10. They mentioned that you can come to our mall, buy the sari for rupees 10. I think some of you from Hyderabad might have known. 10 rupees. Because that organization has not branded anything. They invested huge amount in garments. They purchased everything and no customers for that organization. So the owner thought, okay, first we will give discount to that one. For at least for 100%, we can sell sari for rupees 10. That was the assumption of that startup because they used to create a brand name out of that one by selling a sari for 10 rupees. But what happened, might have read in newspaper. Next day, even before opening the cloth center, huge crowd in that mall. Owner is unable to even open the store because he mentioned 10 rupees sari only. So huge crowd is there to enter into the store. What will happen if entire crowd will enter? See that one. He decided to reduce the ban rate by putting the advertisement. He spent a lot amount for advertisement in almost all the regional newspaper in Hyderabad. They mentioned that ad, including FM. But what is the result? He is unable to collect even 10 rupees per sari. Dear students, you must know that one. That is how you have to use your common sense. That is why you are studying that one. How to identify the band rate, whether it is a band rate. Of course, for him, the expenses he made for advertisement is said to be not even band rate. It is going to be full band rate. He lost everything. He was unable to control. Yeah, even he called police officials, everything. Within half an hour, the entire cloth center was ransacked by the people. Even cloth moved out. Nothing was inside the showroom. See that one. How you have to use the band rate. That is why you are studying. You are studying all these things to know about that one. Whether we have to give an advertisement, whether the advertisement is essential. If you write, put up an advertisement, how you can plan that one. Likewise, ambience in case of the hotels. Everybody will prefer an ambience. Otherwise, in case of urban cities, nobody will come. Even in rural place, I came to know that the ambience is very important for the hotels nowadays. Recently, I went to one place nearby Mandya. One of the farmers nearby, there is small hotel. I am able to see like a tree. You have to enter into hotel under a tree, but it is not actually a original tree. A dummy tree has been there. They set up like a dummy tree. Under that, they are serving. It looks like that one. In a rural place, the ambience is very important. But how you are matching that one? Most of them fail to understand that one, this band rate. So usually it is calculated like that. Same thing. We have discussed the case study of the Flipkart in the beginning stages, the Bansals, how they worked for the Flipkart. You know, from 2015 onwards, Flipkart faced the band rate problem. Band rate means heavy cost. They reported even the loss, but their decision was different thing. How to reduce the band rate? You can see that one, the cutting the band rate by the Flipkart. The board asked Flipkart to bring down amount spent on advertisements and discount. Flipkart aims to bring down band rate 1/4 by March. They said that 40 to 50 million dollar per month is their burn rate. That is additional expenses, uncontrollable expenses comes around 40 to 50 million. But what happened? Okay, everything went on well. Flipkart introduced that scheme to cut the burn rate. What happened? You know that one. From 2016 end onwards, Flipkart, they tasted loss first time. Remember that they tasted the loss. Be clear. Why I am telling that one? So far, Flipkart never tasted loss. Whatever they entered, it is a profit because they acquired number of organization, Mintra, etc., etc. But their management failed in ban rate. Then only in case of India, they understand that we have to think about ban rate in India. They given huge advertisements, everything, but they decrease the ban rate by cutting down the advertisements, everything. What is the result? Loss. They were forced to sell the Flipkart. That is the reason we have discussed that case study. They sold finally the Flipkart. See that one. That is the mismanagement there. Even though Bansals are highly educated, but this is the problem faced in India. Even the highly educated people, they suddenly reduced that one. What happened? Without knowing the purpose, they decrease their advertisement and cut their cost, leads to a loss. That means failure in managing the band rate. Dear students, that is very important. These are all the present situations in India. Most of the Indians fails to understand how to manage this burn rate. They know, they calculate well, because there are a number of chartered accountants in India. Every year we are producing around more than 10,000 plus chartered accountant, and they are very good in finance, and they are telling the everything decision making. But use your mind, that is important thing. We have discussed Flipkart. Finally, they sold to somebody. See that one. That is how to manage the burn rate is very important. That is the failure in case of India. So, what is this burn rate? I am telling the burn rate, burn rate. I think based upon the objectives what we are planning, you might understand. That is why it has been defined by another author. Burn rate measures how quickly your cash holdings are decreasing, how money is going out of your pocket. If you are having huge money in your pocket is big, don't worry, you can do anything. Money in the pocket means you should have your working capital requirements. Working capital requirements means day to day cash is essential, and you must know how wisely you have to spend this cash. That is important. That is the burn rate. How quickly your cash holdings are decreasing. Hash, cash holdings means the amount with you. You are having a huge money with you, but if it is moving down without any income, it means that it is a burning rate. Dear students, you must know you are spending without noticing the income, then it is the burn rate. That you must understand. I told the example in case of Food Panda, we have discussed. You are also going to give the suggestion for the Food Panda next coming Thursday. They spent huge amount without seeing the revenue. So what happened in one side, it is a failure. Next, we use the term called gross burn rate. Total amount you are spending every month. It's called the gross burn rate compared with the previous month. That is important thing. Previous month you are spending 50,000. This month you are spending 60,000 means 10,000 is the gross burn rate. You are spending too much. As a startup, you must know. If you are running a microbiology lab, you must know. But in microbiology lab, investments are very essential. You have to buy different type of equipments. It is too costly. Even then you have to buy. If you fails to buy that one, you can't survive in the market. That's what happened in case of Kingfisher Airlines. Till the last flight of Kingfisher, it has been rated 5-star status for customer rating. Kingfisher is successful for customer. We don't know about the personal belongings of the owner of the Kingfisher. But till the last flight grounded in Bangalore, Kingfisher was successful in customer ratings. Whoever traveled in the Kingfisher, they used to give the rating as 5. I think you know the ratings given in the Make My Trip, everything. But what happened? No cash. They are unable to pay the salaries to the workers. They spend huge amount. You might have seen The advertisement of Kingfisher, everywhere it used to come, even from the Bangalore Mirror, you can see the Kingfisher ad. Even if you are going to Singapore, anywhere, you can see the Kingfisher ad. In some of the countries, they assume that they doesn't know Air India, but they know Kingfisher Airlines. I had such type of experience. Why you are not traveling in Kingfisher Airlines? It belongs to your country. See that one. It spent huge amount. Customer rated 5 out of 5. But what is the use of that one? They are unable to pay the salaries. Dear students, the failure in identifying the band rate by the owners of the Kingfisher. Finally, it went to insolvent. They closed. They were unable to pay the salaries, not only for the pilot, even the crew members in the Kingfisher. The reason, a big crorepati is unable to manage the burn rate. That is why in the beginning stage itself, you must be able to know. That is why we used to call it as gross burn rate, net burn rate. If it is fetching any income, don't worry. You are giving more cost for advertisement. It is fetching income. That means no issue. But there is no income, but you are spending means it is the net burn rate. I told in the case of the Jayanagar restaurant, how they planned, how they manage burn rate. I was quite amazing to see that one. Then I thought, oh, yes, hotel in that place. Of course, some of you know that hotel because your friends are only there. Mm. One of the co-founder of the hotel belongs to our alumni. You notice that one also. When I came after that one, he asked, I am also from KJC. Our Jainians are everywhere now. Then I asked clearly, how you are managing only with white color, sir? If I spend huge amount for ambience of this hotel, I am having a good designer with me, but it is too costly painting the wall, inner papers, there is wallpaper, everything I have to spend huge money. But this equipment I spend huge amount. But this is fetching income for me. It changed the ambience. Only thing I have to use different colors. There is one technical guy is here. Every weekend he will come and change the settings according to different colors. He showed me in a system what type of ambience. If he press that one, it will show that color. See that one. How band rates are managed by the persons in the restaurant. But a big company, they failed in case of Kingfisher. Dear students, that is why try to calculate the band rate once if you started the venture. They used to call it as cash band rate. Cash band rate means you will have 1 lakh rupees with you as an investment, ready-made cash. To which purpose you have to spend? That is important. But unwantedly you are spending, or if it is an uncontrollable one, it is the cash band rate. Even one of our alumni, he is running a small shop nearby in K. Narayanabra. It's our alumni. Once we went to the shop and purchased something, some groceries, everything, and returned back. And I had a discussion with him. He's telling, sir, there's a risk now. Suddenly, some of the persons are coming and demanding your shop name is not registered and you are selling all those things, no registration certificate, nothing. So You have to give me minimum 10 lakh rupees. Somebody is demanding, selling. I have not seen those persons. They are not related to even the Narayanapura, but they are asking 10 lakh rupees only. Otherwise, you can close the business. We will inform to the higher authorities. Your shop will be closed. This is the cash ban rate. See that one. If you indirectly, I am not joking. If you want to build your business successfully, first I itself we have to go ethically and legally means no issues. But if you want to be a unicorn, you should have some gundas with you to deal all those things. That is once upon a time my faculty used to teach me, if you want to do business, you should have some gundas with you. Then only your business will be successful. See that one. By the time we used to laugh, "Ah," but now we used to know that one because it is the cash ban rate, uncontrollable. Somebody is asking, and he's saying that he is a legal person, maybe from some government authorities. They may use to cheat, but they are asking 10 lakh rupees. Otherwise, you can't run business here. See that one. These are all the uncontrollable cost. That is the cash ban rate. Likewise, recently in case of Bangalore floods, in Mysore Road, everything. Suddenly, one of the shop, the flood entered into the shop, everything has been destroyed. That uncontrollable expenses are called as cash ban rate. By the time we can't stop the flood. It enters into the shop because the shop is in the ground floor, underground floors, a semi-underground floor. It enters into that one, then it is the cash ban rate. The expense because insurance company won't give. Only if you are having valid license, legally insurance company will give. So we need some amount for cash ban rate. Then we used to call it as cash runway. We will see what is it actually meaning. Like flight runways, takeoff. Here also we are having cash runway. Cash runway is simple thing. How many months we are able to survive with the help of cash we are having. How many months we are able to survive with the cash with us. That is the cash runway. That is, if runway is long, no problem. We are able to survive, but there won't be any takeoff. See that one. You may have the cash. If you are spending good purpose, your runway will be short, but you will move in upward direction. Your flight will take off. That is how the concept of cash runway has been evolved. That is why in commercial jargons, we used to call it as gross burn rate. It shows clearly what is the actual amount you are spending, whether you are spending more or not, which purpose you are spending. You must know whether it is controllable, uncontrollable. That will be mentioned by the gross burn rate. Net burn rate, I told you. If your expenses are going to fetch income, then you need not worry. But you are spending, there is no income, that means your net burn rate is increasing. You are spending, Kingfisher spend huge money for advertisement. It attracts customer, but even then they are unable to survive because huge advertisement, because their net burn rate is moving out. The expenses are more, but equal to that expenses, they are not having any income. That is why one of the author who introduced the concept of burn rate, Michael Wolf, it is also available in our KJC library. Even it is available in online. If you are having Amazon Kindle, you can read the short version. They will give, I think, 10 pages about the Michael Wolf band rate book. Read that one. It is very interesting thing. If you have based upon that only, you are able to manage the band rate. Calculation is very easy, but how to manage the band rate? Try to read the. You must know some things from the failures. He mentioned what are all the reasons for this band rate. Setup cost. He mentioned most of the entrepreneurs are spending huge amount in setting up. That may be the one reason. Of course, I told you in case of small business, you must know how much money we can spend. If you know clearly we are able to generate income, you can spend. Otherwise, we are the failure. That is why first stage decision, whether our expenses are burning or not, you are the person to decide. I am not the person to decide. Not decide because you only know clearly. If you are having a dream, you only know how to make your dream in a real manner. Same thing, the band rate. Microbiology lab means it should have minimum equipments. It is not banning. You can spend for setup cost, but unnecessarily microbiology lab we need somebody already mentioned in prototype. We need some canteens, or we say we need some other rooms. All these things are in addition to that. If you are planning for a microbiology lab virtually, we can give AR, VR, everything for them. They can spend some more time in your microbiology lab. Means what will happen? The patients will come and sit and sleep in your microbiology lab and go smoothly. Of course, for them it is nice. But what about the income? That is why I told, in case of business models, even if you are creating that one, you have to get income. That is important thing. In your microbiology lab, you have created different rooms. You are using VR. You can mention that during the testing time, you can see with your virtual reality some movies, everything. They can see, but it should fetch income for you. How you have to charge? Okay, uh, you can sit there. If up to half an hour it is free, because our microbiology test lab, we will give the result within half an hour. It depends upon the test. So half an hour you can see our virtual reality, you can see the movie freely. After that, we are going to charge 50 rupees per minute. See that one, 50 rupees per minute. Then customer think about that one. Customer automatically, oh, next 1 minute means they will restrict within half an hour. If they are moving more than half an hour, they are enjoying that movie or something more than half an hour, they know they have to pay. Such type of mindset you have to decide. Dear students, it is a very important thing. You know, some of the hospitals, microbiology labs, I visited 2 months back. One of my relative was admitted in hospitals. Same thing, very nice ambience. They set up clearly, but they mention we are permitting 2 visitors. If third visitor is coming, you have to pay 500 rupees per half an hour. Us worrying. Oh, I dialed to that person and asked, can I come? He told, don't come in, sir, because if you are coming, my bill will increase by 500. See that one. How these hospitals are one side getting income, another side how they are managing the band rate. That is the sense of ventureship. Dear students, that you must know. Provide facilities, that is essential. Otherwise, you can't survive. But it should be rated. That is the success. That is why we have discussed freemium product. You can use some of the softwares free for 1 month. After that, they used to charge. Because they are controlling their band rate. You have developed a very good software. You are testing. You may mention anybody can use. We have created a nice software which will test, which will create a very good video. Your face will be tanned like an actor. You can say like that, but you are giving for 1 week trial package. But you are providing very nice service. After 1 week, you will charge. That is why some of the website, even before entering, they will get the number, your credit card number, everything. Because if you are using that software, after 1 week, even 1 month, they will charge minimum $30. That is how the business people they are managing the band rate. Dear students, you must know they never reduce the ambience, they never reduce the services. They will provide all the services, but till a certain limit. After that, they used to charge and they used to get income. You must know in this one, in the business. That is why the Michael Wolf mentioned in his book band rate. If you visit the American website or European website, most of the software companies they are doing like that because they know how to manage their band rate. That is why, dear students, it is very important to know the concept of band rate. You can see, even if you are paying to the consultant, it is a cost you have to decide, especially in interior designing, how much you have to charge for interior designing. You may pay for consultants. In case of hotels, mentioned in case of Jayanagar, I told how much they are paying for the IT specialist. These things you must know. Salary employees. Whether we can increase the salary, whether the salary is a band rate, you have to judge. If a person you are giving salaries to your worker, but the worker is not productive, means waste. That is the band rate. You are paying salaries to worker, the worker is giving income to you, then this is not a band rate. So here you must know clearly what are all the costs coming to the band rate. That is why they used to call it the concept called slash fund. Slash fund means a reserve fund. If sudden expenses comes, they will use that one. That is the managing the band rate by some of the organizations. Okay. So I think so based upon today's discussion, you must know what is the band rate, what is the importance of studying the band rate. In Thursday, we will discuss the band rate with one simple example, the runway cost, how the band rates are compared with the runway cost we are going to discuss on Thursday. So today's question for you, you know the basic band rate. What is the meaning in common manner? So try to find out what are all the uncontrollable cost for a restaurant, because Thursday we are going to discuss about the restaurant band rates. What try to find out one band rate cost for the restaurants, because I think everybody knows about the restaurant. What is the band rate for the restaurants? Which cost will be considered as the band rate? Be clear. If it is fetching income, it is not the band rate. You are spending, but it is no, there is no income. Then it is a band rate. You must know. There is before spending, you must know clearly whether it will fetch income or not. If it fetch income, it is not a band rate. If there is no income, you are spending. I told the example of our alumni in Narayanapura Cross. Suddenly a person is coming asking for 10 lakhs. Uncontrollable. It is a banning cost. It creates the band rate. So dear students, try to identify the banning cost for the restaurant? Or if you know for your organization, that also welcome. In the answer, you can mention name of the organization. This will be the burning cost. You can mention. I'm giving more flexibility you. I expect very good answers from you so that on Thursday we'll have a nice case study in the second session. Okay. Thank you. Any
Thank you,
questions?
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Next hour, there is no class since we are having the meeting. Okay. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye.